to introduce two people. First of all, Josh Christofferson. Josh is our product manager for our industrial line, which we call On Land. And then also with Josh is Tommy Davis from our newly acquired, within the last 2 years, Katsa. And over the last 2 years, Katsa has been making a lot of innovation for the twin disc family. And today you're going to see one of those. And without further ado, turn it over to Josh.
Thank you, Greg. Thank you. Okay, well, I don't need to introduce myself. I'll just say that Tommy and I, and really everybody here at Twin Disc, are very excited to have you all here with us, bringing this new product into our family. So thank you all very much. And without any further ado, please meet the newest member of our industrial lineup, the all-new Katsa PTO350XP. This unit was manufactured for the toughest of applications, with heavy-duty side load in mind, and an all-in-one system built for your shredding, chipping, crushing, recycling, and heavy construction needs. This is the only PTO that you want on your equipment when downtime isn't an option. I'd like to talk about some of the features that make the PTO 350 stand out from its peers. Firstly, this is an all-in-one, almost turnkey system that needs very little tailoring or configuration to drop into most setups. It's very robust, heavy-duty design allows for inline applications as well as heavy side load, which we'll get into technical specifications on later. Additionally, the unit has a removable clutch pack, which makes service and maintenance very, very handy for all of those team members. The PTO will not need to be removed for most systems, well, really from any systems, unless the system itself is designed in a way that, of course, requires it. But essentially, right here on the front, we can remove the clutch pack, and I can go into more detail on that later. This platform is a unified gearbox system. It is vertically integrated in design and factory configurable. So there's a number of different coupling, pump pad options, and more, which we'll get into in a little bit. This platform offers OEMs the performance and reliability that they need, while also thinking of the time and lives of the support and maintenance technicians that work on these as well. So it pays homage to both of those. Now I'd like to get into some of the engineering specifications for the unit and talk about some of these different configuration options. Firstly, the unit has a maximum input power of 1,200 horsepower or 883 kilowatts, and that's at an 1,800 RPM continuous duty. Secondly, it is a direct engine mount system with flexible coupling options and J617 SAE number 0 and number 1 bell housings. The unit features a hydraulic wet clutch capable of transferring 5,900 foot-pounds of torque, expressed in metric as 8,000 Newton meters, and has a side load capacity of 65 kilonewtons. As far as pump pad options are, I'm going to try and turn and talk at the same time. On the front of the unit, we see two pads. Both of these are available in SAE A, B, C, D, or E. On the rear, SAE B or C. Total PTO power is rated at 550 horsepower, which is 405 kilowatts. Pump pads are rated at 450 horsepower, or 330 kilowatts. Gear ratios for the system include 1:1 or 0.85:1. And the system also features a parking brake, which can be released. This allows for freewheeling functionality. And actually, this does segue into some more features that I'd like to go over as well. This system comes with an internal oil sump, an integrated oil pump, as well as a pressure lubrication system, which is great for getting all of the different splines and bearings on the PTO. Optional features for the system include the CAN bus controller, our classic standard TDEX 600 unit. So for those of you that are used to using that controller, it's going to remain the same, which is excellent. The only other optional kit for this unit is an oil filter and cooler combo, which can be ordered with it as well, depending on the application. So right here we've got a detailed model that I'd like to invite each and every one of you to come up and explore and perhaps envision your applications today. Twin Disc has brought multiple applications engineers and mechanical engineers out to this trade show, so I welcome all of you to also please speak with them about any of your specific questions. All right, that's the Katsa PTO350. I think this really is a culmination of Twin Disc's and Katsa's continued commitment to building rugged, reliable machinery, and I'm just excited to be bringing the future, here with us now in Twin Disc and Katsa. So thank you all very much for coming.